Hi, it's Larry here, and I'm going to show you in this video how to navigate your way around the Twinkl website. If you're new to Twinkl, it can be a little bit overwhelming on where to find everything. So if you're based in Wales, this is the page that you usually come to if you are registered as somebody who is in Wales. It'll bring you to a page that looks like this. If not, there's the Twinkl logo at the top here. If you click on that, it will always return to your home page. Now then, this section here, these two tabs here, are ideal if you are a parent at home or you're a teacher looking for work to send home to children. And all the work in these two tabs are based on the curriculum for Wales. So as you can see, we've got English medium here and Welsh medium here. If I click on the English medium, this will take you to all our weekly packs. So at the moment, week 3 have been done, and we'll be working on these every week. So week 4 next week, even through the holidays, and you can pick and choose, obviously, which ones you want to do. So in the packs are a whole load of resources, and when you download these, they will come up like a zip file. So as you can see, it's downloading down the bottom here. So once that's downloaded, you click on that and it will take you then to everything that's in that pack. You can have a look here. It tells you a little bit more about what's in there, and very often you'll see lots of lovely little treats on the side there that might be helpful for you as well. Right, it's downloaded. Click on this, and that will show us everything that's in there. And you might want to click on one of those and see what's there, and that will come up as a PDF then. So all of those resources are in a pack, so they open as a zip file. I'm going to go home to the home page. If your child is in a Welsh medium school and you're looking for Welsh medium resources, click on the Welsh one. Don't worry if you don't understand everything that's on here. I highly recommend you get in touch with your school or your child's teacher to get some support if you don't speak Welsh yourself. But it works in very much the same way. Also, with a lot of these resources, if you click on a resource, when you get to the one you like, any activity, if you scroll down, very often there'll be an English equivalent. So you can click on the English and you can get what it means and understand it yourself, and then you can get back to the Welsh one, and that then will help you out with what it's asking you to do on that resource. So that's very helpful. And also on this homepage is the most ideal section of our website, and really the part that I use the most, which is this search engine. You can put anything you want in here. You can see things I've been looking up already. Pop in any word, anything that your child is interested in, and you can find a whole load of stuff for them based on that topic then on there. You might want to look for the Welsh ones. Pop in the word Welsh after it. And there's some nice little things that come up here in Welsh. You can put the Welsh word in if you find what that is. Pasg is Easter in Welsh, and you can find a whole load of stuff on here. Again, when you click on them, you can scroll down and find the English version. So this is very handy. If you've got a child who might not want to do anything from the packs and wants to really work on maybe sharks or something exciting that they're interested in, and highly recommend you find something that they're interested in, it will bring up a whole load of resources there that are, oh, that looks good, or that will hopefully engage your child, and you'll find something that they're interested in there. So that's very, very handy, this top section here. Another fantastic new tool we have is the Home Learning Hub. Now, this is only available in English, but every day we have a set of daily activities, and you can choose the age that your child is, and you can have a look at what's available and what's being organised for today. For example, you've got live action, you've got some stories after lunch. There's always a story. Now then, I'll come on to the Welsh ones as well in a minute because we've started recording those. And you've got a whole load of things that will help you there. So that's for every day, and you can have a look at what we've already done, and find lots of things there that are available for you and the age that your child may be. So that's brilliant. But if you really are looking for things specifically for Wales, this is the tab that we go to. This is our homepage for the Wales side of the website, and obviously we've got our English medium schools here and our Welsh medium schools here, and everything mirrors itself, so you can perhaps go through the two if you're not quite sure what you're needing. So we've got lots of lovely things on here. Teachers, you can find resources for the children that you're teaching. Home learning goes straight to the site, the part of the site we've already seen. And then things that are great in this type of situation we're in are themes and topics. You know, what is your child interested in? Give them a choice. Let's have a look. This is for the earlier age children. You know, castles, dinosaurs, legends, mini beasts, pirates, etc., etc. Or maybe for older ones, progression steps 2 and 3, going sort of 8+ here. We've got lots of different things on here. The rainforest is a good one. Food, always a good one. We can use the back button, that just takes us back a page. And again. And then here, this is where we've got our Twinkl originals. These are our stories. Now, we have got many, many fantastic stories. And we've got Key Stage 1, that's obviously for sort of 5 to 7-year-olds, or even younger, 3 to 7-year-olds. And we've got all these stories here, which are brilliant. And then we've got, you can have a look as well, there's some older stories as well. Some brilliant stories, and it's not just the stories, it is resources that go along with them. So they can read a book, you can download the book, and then you've got lots and lots of resources that go with, and activities that go with that book then on there. Or you might have, I think today's story on the hub, the home learning hub, is Seren Seasons. This is great because this is a English medium book, but it is using Seren, a lovely Welsh name, and her Nain, her grandma as well. And then so you've got the story, you can listen to it being read on the Home Learning Hub, and then you can have a look at all the kind of resources that go along with it and activities you can use to go along with the story there. If you're looking for Welsh versions, go back to the tab, go to Welsh Schools, go down again, stories, and they are here. Now then, if you're not sure how to read them, we have started recording them. We've got Milfeddyg y Zoo, Rydym Ni'n Wahanol on the Facebook page being read. And again, if you're not sure what is going on in that story, you can click on it, scroll down, and it'll link straight to the English version. So you can maybe look at the English version while your child's looking at the Welsh version and listening to the story. Okay, that was a quick whistle-stop tour. So please do get in touch if there's anything we can help you with, and help you find anything on the site. There's an awful lot more you can have a look at, but I would start with that. Thank you.